My scary thought is like more and more data, like medical data, stuff like this, is being shared online or by apps. You mentioned like Strava, and in the previous video, I find it amazing that people are sharing not just like check-ins at a hotel, but they're sharing stuff that can affect medical, which can affect your job prospects. It can affect so much in your life.
Oh, absolutely. One of the things that I won't show, but that I'll tell you is that some of the social media platforms collect that data, not intentionally necessarily, well, they might collect it intentionally, but they also they allow people to post pictures. I've done demos on certain social media platforms where you literally can type in words that would appear in somebody's hospital bill. So, you might have laboratory results, you might have invoice, you might have a bed or whatever. You put that in the search field, and then you look at photos on that site, and you will come up with people that have taken pictures of their hospital bills and posted them. All of their data is there. It's absolutely incredible.
And it's public, right?
Yeah. Well, it's public with air quotes, because some of these platforms require you to have that sock puppet or research account that we talked about. Some platforms like Twitter and Untapped are mostly open. Some of them you're required to get that account to get in, and then everything might be open.
Yeah, but I mean, I think that's a very low barrier to entry.
It is. And that's one of the question marks in open source intelligence. It's like, what is your and your company's and your country's definition of open? Is open just anything you can access for free without an account? If you create an account on the system and still can access it without further access controls, is that open? And that's a big variable in certain investigations. So one of the things that we have talked about previously is exercise. You and I talked in the beginning of this episode about people that just want to share, want to put their data out there, and there's good reasons for that. Sometimes you want to compete with other people, you want to share for safety reasons. Hey, this is where I am in case something goes wrong. And there's some platforms out there that allow you to do that in a safe way, and some that allow you to do it in a more public way.